Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. In this part, we'll explore different ways to customize banana oatmeal with delicious toppings, flavors and simple variations for every taste. Many people enjoy experimenting with different flavors. A small amount of cocoa powder can create a chocolate banana oatmeal. Peanut butter and banana make a classic combination that many people love. A few drops of vanilla extract can add a pleasant aroma. Even with these variations, the basic combination of oats and bananas remains simple and wholesome. Banana oatmeal can be eaten at any age. Young children, teenagers, adults, and older adults can all enjoy its soft texture and gentle flavor. Because it is easy to digest, many people find it to be a comforting meal when they want something warm and satisfying. In many households, banana oatmeal becomes a regular part of the weekly meal plan because it is so reliable. It can be prepared quickly on busy mornings, customized for different family members, and made with ingredients that are easy to keep on hand. Whether topped with berries, nuts, cinnamon, or enjoyed plain, it remains a delicious and nourishing choice. A healthy breakfast can help set a positive tone for the entire day. Eating whole grains and fruit in the morning can provide energy, support concentration, and help the body feel nourished. Banana oatmeal offers all of these benefits in a simple and enjoyable form. As people continue looking for meals that are easy, affordable, and nutritious, banana oatmeal remains a favorite option. It combines the wholesome goodness of oats with the natural sweetness of bananas to create a breakfast that is comforting, versatile, and satisfying. Its warm texture, pleasant flavor, and simple preparation have made it a beloved dish for generations. Many athletes and active individuals also enjoy banana oatmeal before exercise. The carbohydrates from the oats and bananas can help provide fuel for physical activity. Because it is not overly heavy, banana oatmeal can be a convenient meal before a morning workout, a walk, or other forms of exercise. Students often benefit from eating a balanced breakfast before school. A meal that includes whole grains and fruit can help support attention and learning during morning classes. Banana oatmeal is easy to prepare even on busy school mornings, making it a practical choice for many families. Some people like to make banana oatmeal extra creamy by using mashed banana and milk together. Others prefer a thicker texture that can be eaten with a spoon. There is no single correct way to prepare it, and that is part of what makes it so popular. Each person can adjust the recipe to match personal preferences. Another advantage of banana oatmeal is that it creates very little food waste. Bananas that have become very ripe are often perfect for oatmeal because they are sweeter and easier to mash. Instead of throwing away overripe bananas, they can be turned into a delicious breakfast. Banana oatmeal can also be prepared in larger batches for meal planning. A big pot can be cooked at the beginning of the week and divided into containers. The portions can then be reheated in the microwave or on the stove for quick breakfasts throughout the week. This can save time on busy mornings. Some families enjoy creating a topping station with bananas, berries, nuts, seeds, and yogurt. Each family member can build a personalized bowl of oatmeal. This makes breakfast more interactive and allows everyone to choose their favorite flavors and textures. For people who enjoy sweeter breakfasts, a small drizzle of honey or maple syrup can be added. However, many find that the banana provides enough natural sweetness on its own. This is one reason banana oatmeal is often considered a healthier alternative to many processed breakfast foods. Oatmeal is also a versatile ingredient that can be used in many other recipes, such as cookies, muffins, pancakes, and smoothies. But in its simplest form, cooked with banana, it remains one of the easiest and most satisfying ways to enjoy oats. The popularity of banana oatmeal continues to grow because it fits many lifestyles. It can be made quickly for busy mornings, prepared ahead for meal planning, customized with different toppings, and enjoyed by people of all ages. Its combination of simplicity, nutrition, and comfort makes it a breakfast that many people return to again and again. In the end, banana oatmeal is a wonderful example of how simple ingredients can create something truly nourishing. With just oats, bananas, and a few minutes of preparation, anyone can make a meal that provides warmth, energy, and satisfaction. Whether enjoyed at home with family, eaten before a busy day, or customized with favorite toppings, banana oatmeal remains a timeless breakfast choice that continues to bring comfort and nourishment to people around the world. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.